This is Team Can, and I am Cole Gagne.
I'm Abby Fawcett.
I'm Nate Garvey.
So in the table below, it's a detailed breakdown of the fields and field types and whether or not the field will be required. It is also a list of people who are allowed to edit the field for the lead objects. Some of the functional requirements are an input, which is a lead must be able to be created, updated, and read by users of the system based on profile setup. It can also be deleted by the technical support, internal, and administrator team. A garbage location for each lead must be connected to a lead record. A location confirmation for each lead must be connected to each lead record. And it must be able to be searched. You must be able to search different leads within the system to look at the records for that lead. The lead information must be able to be updated in case of the change of location. Some of the processes within the functional requirements are: if a lead decides to change services, it can be changed to deactivated account or to new services that are offered to that lead. Another process is if a lead changed their address, it can be updated and services can change. Finally, the address, city, and zip entered by the lead must be unique. If the address is already being used in the service set up in the system, display a message along with a link that existing lead record is already being used by another account. Some of the audit requirements are all fields on a lead must be able to only be updated by users in the administration and sales and renewals department. All of the other user profiles should be able to only view, which is read-only in the information. All updates made to the lead record must be captured in an audit log with the following information: who made the change, the name of the user, what's the date/time of the change that was made, so in the format of year, month, and day, and what was changed, so what was the value before and what is the value after. And finally, the output of the audit requirements. A report must be generated once a week on Monday at 8 a.m. and sent to administrator and sales renewals department for all lead records that do not have services associated to them. So the lead record can be updated, handled accordingly by administration and sales renewals team. So in the table below, you can see the fields that will be used within the product object inside of Salesforce. Some functional requirements. Input. A product record must be able to be created, updated, and read by users of the system. A product record must be able to be associated to multiple organization records. Some audit requirements. All fields for the product information record must be able to only be updated by users in the product team profile. All other users/profiles should be able to only view the information. All updates made to a product information record must be captured in an audit log with the following information: who made the change, what date/time the changes were made, and what was changed. An output. A report must be generated once a week on Friday at 3 p.m. and sent to the product team of all product records that have an end of support life 1 month out to ensure product team can start preparing.
Here you see the service sign-up form that our clients will be using and filling out if they would like the service. We have a bunch of different options for them to fill out, and they will hit send once they're done. It'll say thank you for the submission, and on the back end of things, you go into Salesforce and you'll see the leads, and as we refresh, you can see that the new Sydney Johnson client is there, and we will send them an email asking them if they would like our services, and after that they will send us a confirmation email back saying that they would confirm and they would like our services.